Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to lead your clan to victory in Clash of Clans. Leading your clan to victory in Clash of Clans requires strategic thinking, effective communication, and strong teamwork. Here's what you're going to do. Establish specific objectives for your clan, such as climbing in the clan war leagues or reaching a certain trophy counts. Use the clan chat effectively to coordinate attacks, share strategies, and discuss base layouts. Encourage clan members to plan their attacks carefully, considering troop composition, spell usage, and deployment order. Prioritize upgrading troops and spells that align with your clan's preferred attack strategies. Help clan members design and optimize their base layouts to defend against various attack strategies. Encourage clan members to donate troops regularly to support each other's defenses and attacks. Arrange friendly challenges within the clan to test new attack strategies and improve skills. Study opponent bases used during clan wars to identify weaknesses and plan effective attack strategies. Coordinate with clan members to ensure all attacks are used strategically during clan wars, targeting base effectively. Coordinate with clanmates to ensure clan castle troops are filled with effective defenders or attackers for defense or offense. Encourage active participation in both regular gameplay and clan events to keep morale high and maintain momentum. Review both successful and unsuccessful attacks to learn from mistakes and refine strategies. Foster a supportive and positive atmosphere within the clan to keep members motivated and engaged. Establish and enforce rules that promote fair play, respect, and teamwork within the clan. Acknowledge and celebrate milestones such as successful wars, promotion, and individual achievements. Share leadership responsibilities and rotate leadership roles periodically to involve more clan members in decision making. And that's how to lead your clan to victory in Clash of Clans. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching!